Hello everybody, how you guys doing? Beautiful first snow of the Michigan winter ahead of us. Just want to give a little quick update before I start working today. I didn't film much yesterday. Today is Sunday. It's been 9 days since we got the keys to the house. I was doing a lot of tedious stuff the past couple days, so some of it I actually filmed. I'll play that in with the rest of the footage from today's video. So just a quick update on what we've done. We actually had to go ahead and remove all the drywall from this small bathroom, just make it a little bit easier. It's a small area and we want to add a bathroom fan to the ceiling anyway. So kitchen, we're gonna end up removing all this drywall in today's video. This plumbing is coming. We're gonna take the drywall all the way down to this pillar, and where this blue tape is, we are gonna remove all this drywall all the way down. And basically the only thing in the kitchen we will save is the ceiling for the time being, and if we need to remove that, we will. So yesterday I had my electrician, shout out to Bob, come through and wire up the basement for us. So we are 100% done in the basement. We have 2 really bright shop lights in the laundry room. We have 2 over on this side of the basement, and we have 4 over here. So for lighting in the basement, we're covered. He got us together. It's really bright in here. We have a pole cord over there. We can always add on more because of the way we did it. We did outlets, and these plug in, and the outlets are ran to the switches, so I can hook up as much lighting as I want. Tons of empty space in the box. We'll be ready to redo this kitchen and bath, because that electrical in the kitchen is probably going to be a nightmare. I can show you guys. A lot of this was tucked up in the soffit, so it's not even going to be long enough to run it where we need to. So if I had to guess, I'd say 90% of this electrical bill will be reran by Bob. Again, shout out to Bob, thank you very much. We went ahead, just show you some of this stuff I've been doing. Went ahead and taped off the floor with this paper, drop cloths, moved a lot of the tools to the living room because we're gonna start going room by room. Taped off the big window. Went ahead and removed all the trim from the house. I did get a little video of me removing some of this top trim and baseboard, but I'm just constantly moving, so it's kind of hard to see exactly what I'm doing. But I just got up on this ladder and got a little pry toolbar in here, and it basically just popped off. Well, I'll need to go ahead and sand this and run a quick coat of mud over it. All the hardware from all the blinds coming down, all the vent covers, switch plate covers. This room, I don't think let's see, the light might work in here. Okay, you can see a little bit, you know, just getting it prepped. Took off all the shoe molding, getting ready to pull the carpet in here. Then we'll have to go through, I know there's gonna be tons of staples, plus the tack boards. Already took all the trim off the closets. Again, this had that trim up top. You can see the old green paint. Popped right off. It was not as big of a deal as I thought it would be. So, bathroom, haven't done much yet. Just took the door frame off, which I did with all the doors. Removed the frames. So when I, I just wanted to kind of do everything at once as far as all the trim goes. I couldn't remove this bottom baseboard because it's kind of blocked in by the tack strips, so that'll be the first thing to go once we pull the carpet out of these rooms. Still haven't figured out exactly what we're gonna do here because we got that built in on the other side. So in the next day or two, we will have this room torn out, kind of make a decision on what's going to happen right here with this built-in cabinet. I'm thinking we'll just wall over it on this side, extend the closet on the other side. Might just be the easiest, best overall thing to do. And still, we're leaning towards a full opening and not just a picture window on this wall, so stay tuned for that. All right, I'm going to get to the work. I guess you guys are going to see what I get done. Alrighty guys, that's where we're gonna end for today. Gonna kind of do a light day today, go home and relax. The floor in here is the hardwood floors, but it's really dirty. As you can see, it has this black grit to it, so we're gonna have to sand that up. We still got tons of staples in here we'll have to remove. Next project is to probably go ahead and try to get the stove out, get the built-in cabinet down, clean up all the staples, take the ceiling fan down, and then we will go ahead and take the drywall off this wall and see what we are up against in order to open this up into the living room. So that's going to be it for today. We'll see you later.